again, everyone. This is Catherine, and I don't know anything about sourdough. This is the second video in this series. If you haven't seen the first one, I really recommend going and watching that, or none of this is going to make any sense. And also, if you haven't seen the first one, how did you get here? Did you just randomly click on things? I don't understand. Anyways, I'm looking forward to making a mess with you guys, and anyways, I'm looking forward to probably making a huge mess with you guys today, but you know what, that's okay. It's okay to make a mess. We shouldn't be afraid of messes. Messes can be beautiful, and we also can't be afraid of failure. Some of the best successes of our time started out as awful, terrible failures, and I intend to be one of those. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, snap. So I definitely got different results today. Yeah. The first day I used all-purpose flour, and apparently that lovely layer of hooch I had maybe wasn't necessarily the best thing. Thank you so much for everyone for commenting in the forums. It actually apparently is a sign that my yeast didn't get enough to eat. So this time I used bread flour, and it seems to have had enough to eat. Alright, this should be fun. Let's do this. Oh! Yes! Alright, I've got it onto the counter, some parchment paper. If you're looking here with me, I can see what looks like some air pockets or some bubbles. I'm really hoping that and the fact that it exploded is a sign that the yeast is active, fermenting, and we are still in the game. I'm definitely glad I didn't tighten this lid, that I just left it on there loose, because I think if I hadn't, I might have ended up with glass in my starter, and I don't think you come back from that. Thanks to some very helpful tips from people online, I have been told actually putting dough down the drain is a recipe for disaster, much like this cooking show. So I've put some garbage bags or some plastic bags in there, so the dough will go in the trash and not down the drain. I will not ruin my pipes. At least, not doing this. Whoa, it's like straight up Froth City. And that's some frothiness. Oh, that's called good TV right there. Goodbye, my almost sourdough. So long, my foamy friend. I'm gonna try to make you yummy, but sometimes the messes just won't end. Okay, everyone, it's time for our second feeding. Using, of course, the one and only King Arthur flour. Please, sponsor this. Send me free things, because I only use King Arthur bread flour. Lord help me. Dap. Dap, 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 dap. Alright. We add our 1 cup filtered room temperature water. That's actually kind of cold, so we're gonna hold off on that for a second. Okay, we fast forward in time. Actually, let's be honest, I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, and I mean, that's room temperature goodness to me. So we're gonna put that in. Oh my gosh, it's gonna, it's too much. I don't know. I honestly don't know. My only concern at this point is gonna be, have I created another yeast bomb? Survey says chances are high. Yeah. Okay, everyone. You see what I've done here? You see what I've done? I've installed a very sophisticated method of spill-off catchage. A catch-all, if you will. Yeah, hopefully if it expands, which I really think it will, it's gonna go onto the plate and I won't have to work so hard to clean it up this time. Alright everyone, I will see you all tomorrow. Whew, fingers crossed.